on, guys? So today I just installed my new winter package for my Audi S5 and we wanted to share you guys my set. Haven't seen a lot of videos out there with winter packages for the S5, so here I want to show you guys my set. So you know, my car came with the 20-inch wheels from Audi. I decided to downsize to the 18s. These are RWC AD 1009s in gloss black. I did get the aftermarket Audi center cap so that it looks more OEM. You can see the red bricks popping behind it. I wrapped it around Yokohama's 235 45 18s so that my speedometer matches the speed correctly. These are BlueEarth V905 winter tires. I'm up here in Montreal, Quebec in Canada, so you already know winter tire is a must. Here's a look at the back. Up close, I already know these will be a pain to wash in the winter. The look is just amazing in my opinion. The fit is pretty good. I'll show you guys the fit here. Clears the brakes. I know my brakes are a little bit dirty. Clears them nice. Trying to show you guys more of the car with the wheels on it so you guys know. Again, these are 18s. Really like the blackout look. Pretty hot. I just put a tire shine onto as well. Sorry for the wind noise, I'm recording with my iPhone. One last shot of the wheels. Alright, tell me what you guys think of the wheels on the S5. 18s. I wanted to go 19s, but potholes up here are no joke. So here they are, the 18s. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Alright, peace guys.